Provides 3x bacterial removal action by removing bacteria in 3 ways: cheek and tongue cleaner, surround bristles, and cleaning tip. Brush head uses soft toothbrush and tapered bristles that surround teeth to clean both sides at once. Raised cleaning tip bristles and soft rubber polishing cups for gentle stain removal. Wraparound cheek and tongue cleaner removes bacteria. Removes germs from teeth, tongue, cheeks and gums. Comfortable handle design for better control and comfort. Contains a total of 6 soft manual toothbrushes. The Colgate 360 Surround toothbrush is designed to clean parts of your mouth that other brushes can miss. Its soft toothbrush bristles surround your teeth for all-round cleaning, and the cheek and tongue cleaner removes other odor-causing bacteria, versus brushing teeth with a flat trim brush. Top reviews from the United States. Beautiful toothbrush. The quality of toothbrush is good, the soft hair is very comfortable to use, the price is also very affordable, there is no smell, it will buy back again, also recommend friends to buy back.